Hello students, welcome to the course Numerical and Statistical Method. Today we will study about regular fallacy method. This is the oldest method of finding the real root of an equation fx equal to 0 and it is closely resembles to the bisection method. Here in regular fallacy method we have to find two values x naught and x1 for which fx naught gives positive or negative and fx1 give positive or negative, but we should have to be careful that both values give values of opposite sign, means one should be positive then other should be negative. And afterwards we will find a graph. To find the formula for regular fallacy method, we will first draw a graph. Suppose this is the graph of fx. This is the graph of fx. At a it is giving positive value and at b it is giving negative value. So here we will find the points x1, x2, x3 for which y is 0. So at whole this point x1, x2, x3, y is 0. But this x1 point, x2 point and x3 point is not lying in this function. It is not lying in this function. We have to find this point for which lies in this function also, and for which the value of y is 0 also. This is the y coordinate and at this point the value of y is 0. So we have to find that point. Ultimately we have to find this point for which this value is 0. So for this we will use formula. In regular fallacy method we will use formula. We have to write the equation of chords. These are the chords for x1, then another chord is x2, then another chord is x3. Similarly, by drawing these chords only we will reach to the answer here. So I'm not going into the equation of chords. I'm directly going to the formula, that what is the formula for regular fallacy method. Regular fallacy method, the formula is x naught x2 x naught minus x1 minus x naught fx1 minus fx naught fx naught. This is the formula. So you have to remember this formula, because without using this formula you will not reach to the answer. So this is very important formula. For example, in bisection method you have to find 2 point fa and fb. Okay, these are the 2 points for which one value is positive and one value is negative, and what we are doing with that point only, we are adding and dividing by 2. But in regular fallacy we have to find 2 points x0 and x1, and with the help of this x0 and x1 we will find another point x2. So like this. Now the rate of convergence of regular fallacy method is faster than bisection method. Means in bisection method we are getting answer very slow as comparison to regular fallacy method. Now one example of using regular fallacy method is, here one example is there in which x naught x to the power 3 minus 2x minus 5 equal to 0, and we have to solve this equation and get the required approximate value. Now this is algebraic equation, and first we have to find 2 points for which one is negative and one is positive. So at 2 it is negative and at 3 it is positive. So the root will lies between 2 and 3 only, because at one point it is negative and another point it is positive. So at 2 and 3 only root will lie. In bisection method only I have discussed about this. So here x0 is 2, x1 is 3, and we will write that value also, that if we will put x0 2, then fx0 will be minus 1, and if we will put x1 equal to 3, then fx1 is equal to 16. So all values we already have, only we have to find first value using the regular fallacy formula. This is regular fallacy formula. So we will use this formula to get the value. We will substitute x0 2, x1 3, x0 2 and fx1 minus 1, fx0 is minus 16. After using this we will get 2.0588. Now we will substitute this value at fx0, because my function is given as x cube minus 2x minus 5. So in this function, in the place of x we will substitute all the value with this value 2.0588. So after substituting we will get minus 0.3908. So this is negative, this value is negative. As this value is negative and at 3 it is positive, so my root will lie between this and this. Earlier we have evaluated that it will lie between 3 and 2. Now we came more closer to the answer. Now it will lie between 0.588 and 3. So in the similar manner we will proceed further to get the answer. Now as my value will lie between 2.0588 and 3, so again we will find the second value. Second value we will get with the help of this formula only. Now my x naught is changes to this. X1 is 3, fx1 is 16 only, and fx naught is if you will find the value of fx naught what we have calculated, it is a minus 0.39 something. Okay, as it is indicated in earlier. Yes, it is yeah, it is minus 0.3908 fx2. Okay, so this is only it will be treated as fx1. So in next slide, so fx naught is minus 0.3908. so we will substitute all these values here. So we will substitute all these values and we will get the required result. F x naught in place of x3 we will substitute all these values and we will get the required result. This afterwards we will substitute this 2.0813. We will get some another result, maybe it is positive or negative. According to that we will find another two slots, another two values, and in this way we will proceed for x4, x5, x6, and at x6 we will stop our calculation and will write approximate root as 2.0934. so the most important thing is that you have to learn this formula. This is the important formula. With the help of this you have to find one positive and one negative, and according to that you have to move further. I am not showing here you all the calculation for x4 and x5. You can do it by own also. It only you have to keep remember your formulas. If formula is okay, then you can do whole calculation very properly. So this is all about regular fallacy method. I have given in practice assignment, I have given one question. Please solve that question, and in PDF format you have to submit that question in Moodle platform only, where the questions is showing there only you have to uh, submit your assignment in PDF format. So the last date to submit is 9th August till 5 p.m. So be careful about time and date. You have to submit the questions before time and date. Otherwise it cannot be evaluated. It will not accept any submission after date and time. So be careful and solve it. And in if any query is there related to regular fallacy method, ask your queries in discussion forum. Thank you.